How to transfer specific album to Koofr on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific album to Koofr on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click this one here, transfer a copy of your information, and now just click next. And here you will find a Koofr, click on it and select specific album and then click next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.